This is Secret Lock Box by Escape World. Pag nabuo mo siya, ganito yung magiging itsura niya. This is made of wood. Everything is made of wood. And it takes about 10 to 15 minutes lang para mabuo to. It's very easy, no glue, and everything you need is already in the kit. So there are two parts for this box. First is yung top. Next is yung lid. Sa side ng box, meron kang makikitang intricate designs of a city. I think this is Venice ba? Or iba-ibang location to in Europe. Then sa lid, marami kang makikitang intricacies na designs. So you have different odd shapes, no? And then sa gitna, meron kang makikitang pathway nung bola, nung marble, which is this one. And then, mapapansin nyo, meron siyang pathway dito. One is here sa dulo and another one is here, diba? Across. So dalawa yung pathway niyan. The objective is to navigate the ball from the starting location all the way dito sa dulo kasi hindi mo siya basta-basta mabubuksan unless mapunta yung ball dito sa dulo. Pag napunta na yung bola dito sa dulo, unlock it and mabubuksan mo na yung secret compartment. Kaya siya na-unlock kasi kapag yung bola na to napunta sa position na to and ang nangyayari is napupush tong part na to which unlocks the entire puzzle or lid. Tapos napaka-spacious rin yung storage sa loob so you can put anything that you like. Yun lang.